Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
Welcome back, everybody. The sun is coming up over the Helena Valley right now. A little bit of light fog out there, but not as bad as it was yesterday. We were actually a few degrees cooler than forecasted because of that fog sticking around for a little while. At least right now, signs are showing that the fog won't be as thick, mainly just over bodies of water today. So visibility 10 miles across most of the state right now. Temperatures in the 40s and the 50s for a lot of us. 50s out in eastern Montana, most of the west, including the valleys, into the upper 30s and 40s. So still a relatively cool morning out there. Not a lot, if any, activity on the radar, and that will be the case through most of the day today in our area. A couple of showers and thunderstorms form into the late morning and afternoon hours into eastern Montana, mainly south of Glasgow, Miles City, Jordan, Roundup, a few places that could see those thunderstorms, but mainly dry conditions for the rest of the state. Going to be a lovely day today. Tomorrow, a weak cold front moves through the area. That will bring a little bit of cloud cover by tomorrow morning and into tomorrow afternoon, mainly partly cloudy skies. I think what you're seeing here with the cloud cover is a little bit overdone. There will be some holes in the clouds and we will have a bit of sun. But by Saturday, we're back to mostly sunny conditions heading into Saturday morning. But the wind is going to be the story heading into the weekend. It is the last day of summer on Sunday, and that wind is really going to pick up. It is bringing the fall season with it, as it'll bring cooler temperatures and a few thunderstorms around as well. The maximum of the wind is going to be Sunday afternoon along the Rocky Mountain front. We could see gusts of 40 to 50 miles an hour at times, and it's important to note that during this time of year, a lot of trees still have their leaves on them, so when you have wind like this, it could topple those over very easily. So we're going to be watching for some isolated wind damage over the state over the weekend. It'll stay breezy on Monday as well. Here's the forecast for today. A lot of us into the 70s and a few 80s out there, mainly west of the divide. It's going to be a very similar day to yesterday. We'll have slightly above normal temperatures, but we will warm into the 80s by tomorrow and Saturday before that wind and cold front and stormy weather moves in for Sunday. Temperatures drop going into the first day of fall on Monday. Most of us will be in the upper 60s and 70s for our highs, as we'll have a low pressure system moving over the state, but we're right back up into the 80s by the middle of next week.